Hello, I'm Paul Benda with Align Production Systems, and today we're going to be talking about our air skid controller. This has been a redesigned air skid controller that has individual flow controls with quick disconnects for each individual air bearing. These quick disconnects are valved, so if you have air going to the system, you can disconnect these while the air is flowing through the system, and it will trap the air within the system. This controller has also an optional Deadman Pendant Controller. This Deadman will give you the ability to energize all of the air skids at one time. This is also designed to be carried with the system, or it could be laid down, stood up, laid down in either orientation, this way as well. And it's to protect the plumbing and the controls for the flow controls. We have a main on-off ball valve here that will either meter the whole system or shut the air off to the whole system. On the top we have a pressure indicator. This pressure indicator shows the system pressure when running. We also have hose storage for the Deadman, so that you can walk away with the Deadman controller, Pendant Controller in your hand if you want to leave the controller sitting there on the floor. If you'd like to carry the controller, you can still fire the Deadman on the handle while you're holding this. Now let's see the system in action. If there's too much lift to an air skid, we have independent flow controls so that we can manually adjust up or down the flow to the air bearing. The Pendant Controller can also be mounted to the controller and energized, so you can carry the hose and the controller while you're moving the system.